I mean, how did you come to write these things which became really known by everyone? I mean, so...
In 1943, I was chosen by the dean of the school. He decided to open up a summer seminar.
Is it yeshiva?
That was a yeshiva and yeshiva plus. Mm-hmm. He was his mind actually was working on training people that would later become teachers of religious teachers in the yeshivas. And for some reason or other, he picked me as one of the students in the yeshiva to go to that seminar in Spring Valley. So I spent the whole summer there in 1943. And it was it was a yeshiva. We studied. We learned Gemara and everything else. And he had lectures coming in. How to lectures that taught you how to speak publicly, public speakers. Lectures that on hashkafa, Musa. It was everything. He had a full day. We had it was sort of like a camp also. We had leisure time also.
These are the different kinds of philosophical ways of putting together, Jewish learning.
Yeah, and this was supposed to be training for people that would later become teachers. I never really had in mind becoming a teacher. That's the truth of the matter. But he invited me there, and I was part of the group. I think there were about 35 boys at that time. And it was one evening that I took a walk with one of my best friends, and I sing to myself a melody. Da, 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 as we were walking. Da, 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 da. So Moshe says to me, "What is that?" I say, "I don't know." I was making it up as we were walking. He said, "It sounds great. Keep on going." That's why I keep on going. And after there was two parts to it. I sang it as we were walking. He says, I got the words for that. He says, "Hamavdil ben kodesh lechoy, chatoy seinu im choy, zareinu v'chaspeinu, yar bekachoy, hakoy chovim badloim." I have it recorded on the first Modzitzer record.
Very first one, yeah.
I want to tell you something. It was a very daring thing for me to do. To put on the first Modzitzer record, put on one of my own.
Yeah,
it was not my idea. When this guy Stambler heard me singing it, he says, "I want this piece on this record."
Wow.
He says, "It's such a gorgeous piece. You got to put it on." You don't have the original 10-inch.
I'm sorry.
I probably do have it, but I have to go.
I'm sure I do have it. I just grabbed
I have to go looking for it, which would be a very difficult thing to do right now.
So you sing that right on that first recording, and so people heard you.
But that was 1943.
And now you credited yourself, I assume,
yes.
on the recording.
Yeah.
Therefore, people now knew you were also a composer.
Yeah. So that was my first public announcement, really.
Yes.